guys, I am here with a very quick little video to show you what the infamous Nova Mohawk or Faux Hawk looks like on the bean. She has very different hair than Nova, but this hairstyle turned out really well in her hair, and I like it a lot. I mean, as you can see, it looks so cute, and her curls are like super fine and loose and way different, not even as coarse, not even close as coarse as Nova's, but this hairstyle still works. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this hairstyle can work in many different hair types. I think it's super cute, and I did have to like mess with the curls a little and maybe I had to pull some up here and then wrap it around, like pull some down there, just so it's a even type of little mohawk right there. But other than that, it came out pretty well. I mean, right now her curls are kind of jacked up because she went to bed with her scarf and it fell off like usual. Her scarf never stays on. I don't know what to do with this kid, but she can never. Oh, is it because you have a big head? Yeah, it's because she has a big head, guys. I can never keep a scarf on her head, but yeah, I think it turned out super cute. It's gonna last in her hair a week, just like Nova's. Sometimes it stays on. Okay. It's gonna last a week. It looks really good. It looks really cute, and this is one of the styles I am debating on giving them for my wedding day. We're going through different styles, trying to figure out which one would be cute, and everyone seems to like this style on Nova, and now everyone's seen it on Nina and loves it, so this might be a wedding hairstyle. We just put some flowers up there in it, some little jewelry on the sides, and I think it would work out great. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that this hairstyle can work in other types of hair. So give it a try. I'll link the video tutorial that I did in Nova's hair down below in the description box, so you guys can go check that out to see how I did it. And that's it. So we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.